Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele, so let's get started. Today's song, the chords that we're going to use is D minor, D flat, A minor, and G minor. Okay, so D minor, D flat, A minor, and G minor. For this song, there's parts in there that's just the guitar. You can kind of hear it, kind of gives off like a reggae feel to it. So here's the example of the strum pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so for this strum pattern, it's just going to be down strums. And for D minor, it's 2 down strums, B flat, 1, A minor is 1, G minor is 3, and then A minor is 1. Now for the strum pattern, for like this type of down strums, you're going to be doing it on the and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So let's try it out. I'll play it, you guys can play along. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.